So this is my first print with the Bunnyscience Bunny and Bear Short Ears extruder on my Prusa Mk3s. You can actually see to the right on my old monoprice, this is the previous iteration, which was a Skelestruder. It worked well, super easy to maintain. I'm sure it's going to be, well, this one's not going to be quite as easy to maintain, but it was just lacking some refinement. This guy, so far, I'm printing a Benchy. One thing I'm noticing already that I'm not going to like is I can't see the nozzle anymore, which I really did like that on the Skelestruder. But this one is, it's like the version 4 factory Prusa extruder perfected. So the balance is a lot better at the moment, and center of gravity is much closer to the center. See, I printed it out of the pre-lined carbon fiber filled polycarbonate, with the exception of the two orange parts you see. Those are Prusa Mk3s. So this polycarbonate that's fiber filled printed really beautifully. It made such a strong part, such a nice finish, such nice mating surfaces on the different pieces of the extruder. And it's really easy to print with, assuming that you dry it first. So yeah, here's the Mk3s running my first Benchy. I'm probably going to wish that I'd changed the nozzle out, but I'm printing it with a 0.6mm E3D nozzle. I just don't put the 0.4 on, hardly ever. In fact, the only thing I've printed probably in 6 months with the 0.4mm nozzle is this gear, just because it needed the detail on it. So it's going. Man, this barely even looks like a Prusa these days, doesn't it? Still a great printer. Yeah, I'm gonna miss being able to see the nozzle. I may have to do a remix. I'm also gonna miss being able to reach in there with the tweezers and snatch the little pieces out. Sometimes the extruder drags over. That's gonna be a problem. So we'll see how it does. Even if it does well, I'll probably hack it up and change it again in a few months. This is Prusa Mk3 is a great platform for that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, leave me a comment below and I will write back.